Meet Maya. She just got her science test scores back for the whole class, and her teacher asked her to make a graph that shows how everyone did. Not just the average, but the full picture. Maya has no idea where to start. Sound familiar? Well, today we're going on Maya's journey to master one of the coolest graphs in all of math, the Box-and-Whisker Plot. By the end of this video, you'll be reading and building them like a total pro. Let's go! So Maya's teacher said Box-and-Whisker Plot, and Maya thought, is that some kind of animal? It sounds weird, but it's actually a super powerful graph. A Box-and-Whisker Plot shows you the spread of your data. Instead of showing every single number, it splits your data into 4 equal sections using just 5 key numbers. And here's the best part. Once you know how to read one, you can instantly see whether data is bunched together or stretched way out. That's really useful. Here's the secret sauce of Box-and-Whisker Plots, 5 numbers called the 5-number summary. First, the minimum, the smallest value in your data. Then Q1, the lower quartile, which is the median of the lower half. Next is the median, also called Q2, the dead center of all your data. Then Q3, the upper quartile, the median of the upper half. And finally, the maximum, the biggest value. These 5 numbers are everything. Once you find them, the plot basically draws itself. Okay, here's where Maya rolled up her sleeves. Before you can draw anything, you need to find those 5 numbers. Step 1. Always put your data in order from smallest to largest. Step 2. Find the median, the middle value. If you have an odd number of values, it's the middle one. If you have an even number, it's the average of the 2 middle values. Step 3. Find Q1, the median of just the lower half. Step 4. Q3, the median of the upper half. You've got this. Now the fun part, actually drawing it. Maya grabbed her pencil and followed these 4 steps. First, draw a number line that covers your full range of data. Second, mark all 5 key points right above the number line. Third, draw a rectangle, the box, from Q1 to Q3, and put a vertical line at the median inside the box. And fourth, draw the whiskers, straight lines stretching from the box all the way out to the minimum and maximum. That's it. You've got a Box-and-Whisker Plot. Reading a box plot is like being a data detective. Here's what to look for. If the box is short, the middle half of your data is clustered close together. If the box is long, the data is spread out. A long whisker means there are some extreme values pulling way out to one side. And here's a key term, the interquartile range, or IQR. That's just Q3 minus Q1, and it tells you how spread out the middle 50% of your data is. The IQR is your best friend for comparing data sets. All right, let's work through Maya's actual class test scores. Here's the data set: 62, 70, 74, 78, 80, 85, 88, 91, 95, 98. They're already in order. Nice. We have 10 values, so the median is the average of the 5th and 6th values. That's 80 plus 85 divided by 2, which equals 82.5. Now the lower half is 62, 70, 74, 78, 80, and Q1 is the middle value, which is 74. The upper half is 85, 88, 91, 95, 98, and Q3 is 91. So our 5-number summary is min 62, Q1 74, median 82.5, Q3 91, max 98. Now let's draw Maya's Box-and-Whisker Plot using those 5 numbers. We draw a number line from 60 to 100. We mark our 5 points: 62 for the minimum, 74 for Q1, 82.5 for the median, 91 for Q3, and 98 for the maximum. We draw our box from 74 to 91 and put a vertical line at 82.5. Then we stretch the left whisker from 74 all the way to 62, and the right whisker from 91 out to 98. Maya's Box-and-Whisker Plot is done. Now let's figure out what it tells us. Now Maya's getting confident. Let's try reading a plot that's already drawn. This is a Box-and-Whisker Plot showing the number of points scored in basketball games. The left whisker ends at 45. That's the minimum. The box starts at 55, so Q1 is 55. The line inside the box is at 68. That's the median. The box ends at 78, so Q3 is 78. The right whisker stretches to 95. That's the maximum. What's the IQR? That's Q3 minus Q1. 78 minus 55 equals 23. The middle 50% of scores span 23 points. Here's where box plots get really powerful, comparing two groups. Maya's class wants to compare morning quiz scores versus afternoon quiz scores. The morning plot shows a median of 72 and an IQR of 20. The afternoon plot shows a median of 80 and a smaller IQR of 12. What does this tell us? Afternoon scores are generally higher. The median is 8 points better. But also, afternoon scores are more consistent. The IQR is smaller, meaning the scores are closer together. Two plots, one quick look, and you know so much. That's the power of Box-and-Whisker plots. One more practice round. You try this one with me. Here's a data set: 14, 17, 19, 22, 25, 28, 31, 34. We have 8 values, so the median is the average of the fourth and fifth values. That's 22 plus 25 divided by 2, which equals 23.5. The lower half is 14, 17, 19, 22. Q1 is the average of 17 and 19, which is 18. The upper half is 25, 28, 31, 34. Q3 is the average of 28 and 31, which is 29.5. So our 5-number summary is min 14, Q1 18, median 23.5, Q3 29.5, max 34. The IQR is 29.5 minus 18 equals 11.5. Excellent work. Maya made a few mistakes the first time, and that's totally okay. Here are the big ones to watch out for. Number 1, always order your data from least to greatest first. Skip this step and everything goes wrong. Number 2, when you have an even number of values, the median is the average of the two middle numbers. Number 3, when finding Q1 and Q3, do not include the median itself in either half. And number 4, whiskers go to the minimum and maximum actual data values, not just anywhere. Nail these 4 things and you're golden. Remember when Maya was staring at that paper, totally lost? Look at her now. She's finding quartiles, drawing plots, and comparing data sets like a statistics superstar. Here's your quick recap. Step 1, find all 5 numbers: minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. Step 2, draw a number line. Mark your 5 points. Step 3, draw your box from Q1 to Q3 with a median line inside. Step 4, add your whiskers. And always remember, IQR equals Q3 minus Q1. You went from confused to confident. That's the power of learning math. Now go practice. You've totally